Hi students, welcome to the video of Modeling and Analysis Lab. Today we'll solve experiment number 16, that is dynamic analysis of fixed beam for natural frequency determination. So this is the beam which is fixed at both ends and cross section is 0.01 meter into 0.01 meter. Aim is to determine the natural frequency of a fixed beam shown in figure by model analysis. Young's modulus is given as 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square and density is given as 7830 kg cubic per meter. So area is 0.01 into 0.01, so you will get 0.0001 cube meter square. Moment of inertia will be 0.01 into 0.01 cube divided by 12, which will come 8.33 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter raised to 4, and height is equal to 0.01 meter. Now let us solve it in the software. Go for start and all programs, ANSYS 10, click on ANSYS. So say Y. Here the first step is to go for solution, not preferences. Select analysis type, say new analysis, and select model and say OK. I'll show you again. You need to go for solution is the first step. Analysis type you need to select. Under that you need to select new analysis and select model and say OK. Now go for preprocessor, element type, add, editor, delete, add. Here also the element is beam only as it is a beam problem. Say OK and close this window. So here moment of inertia is 8.33 and area is 0.0001. Go for real constant, add, editor, delete, add, say OK. So area is 0.0001. Moment of inertia is 8.33 into 10 raised to minus 10. It is written as e raised to minus 10. So height of the beam is 0.01. Say OK and close this window. Now go for material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Here you need to enter the value 2E10. 2E11, that is 2 into 10 raised to 11. Say OK and close this window. Poisson's ratio will be set to 0. Here you need to add another parameter, that is density. Click on density and 7830 is the value given. So close this window. If you see, density is 7830. If you don't enter the density value, you won't get the answer. So don't forget to enter the density value. So here only two nodes are created, which is of 1 meter apart. Modeling, create nodes in active coordinate system. Node number 1 will be at the origin. Node number 2 is at 1 meter. Say OK. So for this problem you need to create further nodes. So for that you need to go for fill between nodes. Select node number 1 and 2. Say OK. And number of nodes to fill, you say 6. Number of starting node number will be, so 1 and 2 is given here, you say 3. Say OK. Close. Now create the elements by selecting two nodes, that is 1 and 3 is selected, say apply. 3 and 4 is selected, say apply. 4 and 5 is selected, say apply. 5 and 6 is selected, say apply. 6 and 7 is selected, say apply. 7 and 8 is selected, say apply. Now 8 and 2 is selected. Since it's the last element, you need to say OK. Now I'll go for loads, define loads, apply, structural, displacement on nodes. So node number 1 and 2 is selected. It is fixed in all degrees of freedom. So displacement value is 0. Say OK. Now I'll go for the solution. Here you need to go for analysis type and select analysis option. You need to say subspace. Number of modes to extract, you need to say 5 and click OK and say OK. Again repeat. You need to go for solution, analysis type, click on analysis option, select subspace, and number of modes to extract, you need to say OK. So 2 times you need to say OK here. Now go to solve current LS, say OK. So solution is done. Now to view the result, you need to go for general post processor, list results, detailed summary. So these are nothing but the omega frequency values. So whatever the values you have calculated, you kindly check and compare it with the analytical value. Close this. So to go to the mode shapes, you need to go for read results, say first step. Now go for plot results, deformed shape, say deformed plus undeformed, say OK. So this is the mode shape. Again you need to go for read results, say next set, and again plot results, deformed shape, say OK. So to see the next mode shapes, you need to always say next set and go to plot results and say deformed shape, deformed plus undeformed, say OK. Is that fine? Thank you, dear friends.